Ooh, whoa, whoa, wait a minute. Look at this FORD period. This is a beauty, guys. Look at the grill. Supercharger, I knew that. Oh, y'all hear that? This Ford is equipped with a supercharger. Interesting, guys. Let me get a closer look. Look at that. All right, and it's bolted what, to the alternator maybe? Yes, let's go on this side. Similar situation as ours. I want to say this is the AC condenser. Maybe. See, now our Ram, sometimes we had an AC fan and condenser right here. Anyway, if it's in the front, it's some form of a cooler device. Like this may be like a power steering cooler. Or, oh no, let me climb up here and see. Super charger, guys. Look how they do their PC on. Pretty much, it's a little different than our setup, but at any rate, this is the F150. I want to start it up, guys. All right, let's see. I'm nosy, and the guy just left, so it's a good time to. Oh no, did he take the keys? Oh no, he took the keys. No keys, guys. We can't start it up. Raptor. Nice inside. Alright, where you Ford guys at? I need the key to tell what year, make, and model it is. It's, you know, with a year and all that, but it's a nice setup, man. Quad cab, roomy. Look at that. Very nice. When he let it up, I'm gonna come up under here and we're gonna get a closer look under the bottom of it, guys. But this supercharger should help push it over the finish line. You can always add those accessories on, you know, on the title when you put the vehicle in the paper or whatever, trying to sell it. Rouse. Alright, let me take a stab at this. Fairly simple, guys. Nothing major. I don't know why I'm over dramatizing this. The alternator, supercharger, water pump, same position as any other car. The whole 9 yards, guys. Nothing spectacular. It's just a Ford. Something we don't see that often. So I don't know what they're doing. I guess they're prepping it for used car F150. They're prepping it for used car sale, so they're gonna go through their 9-point inspection as opposed to this. Now here we go again with this battle, guys. You had a choice, which you get. See, this 5.7 Hemi don't need no supercharger. It's got all the power. It's got all the power it needs off the bat. You know, that Ford over there, it needs a supercharger to pull some things off. Ram, don't need it, guys. Same roomy situation, you know. So it's a pretty decent comparison, right, guys? Now I want to hear from y'all. If y'all had a choice, which would y'all take? It's the Ram 1500 or that Ford over there? Ooh, no, I don't know, guys. This one do look a little nicer. The suspension is really what gonna put me over the top. But I still, ooh, y'all hear that? I don't know, guys. I might have to go with the Ram. That's because I'm a Dodge guy. I'm a Ram guy. I don't know, man. It's a tough decision, guys. What y'all think? Now, don't pick this just because it has a supercharger on it. Like I told you, there's a reason for needing a supercharger, right? That have no reason to need a supercharger. That 5.7 Hemi can carry its own, guys. So, but y'all let me know in the comments what y'all choose or what y'all would choose. All right, let's go over here. I don't know how they getting by. Hey, I see a nice, interesting car over here, guys. Let's go before they turn the lights out because it's getting late. This is not a Chrysler. Chrysler don't make nothing like this. Look at this beauty here. What is this? Dual overhead cam, 16 valve. Yeah, look at the nice, pretty steering wheel. What is it though? Somebody traded in Elantra 5-star. That's a beauty, man. What do we have on the equivalent of this? Y'all know we out of the 4-door sedan market, right? Small 4-door sedan. I mean, we still have the Dodge Charger. That's a 4-door, but that's a big body. As far as these little baby 4-door sedans, yeah, they pretty much done. That's a wrap with that. But I don't know what's going on with this. I don't even know if it's a trade-in. I might shouldn't be filming. I see personal things in here, so we're gonna bypass this one. All right, guys. Interesting day, to say the least. I had a wild day, so I'm gonna wrap this up, man. I chit chat with y'all later, man. I appreciate y'all when y'all watch these vids, no matter the topic. Okay, so I just appreciate it all around. Thanks, guys. I gotta go. Thanks for watching.
That's the 17 too. They're all full set 17.
All right, guys. Somebody traded in Ford Raptor F150. Look at the drivetrain.
And this one. Oh wait, they do. Look.
Where you pointing at?
Okay.
Oh, the tire sensor.
Have a Robson on the inside? No. Are they the same pickup tire?
So you add air right here, and the tire sensor is right there.
That's how long the aftermarket.
No, that's just a regular valve stem. I don't know where you Ford guys at. Talk to me.
That way. Same as the front one.
I don't see one on there.
But it goes through.